You guys, this is the most delicious macaroni and pea salad you've ever eaten. You're going to want to make it and have it on hand all summer long. It's that good. It's super simple to make and calls for only a few easy ingredients which can be altered to fit your own tastes and preferences. I used diced red onions for bite, some red pepper for sweetness, frozen peas because I love them, bacon bits because my husband loves them, and some cheddar cheese cubes. Of course there's salt and pepper because what good recipe wouldn't call for salt and pepper? I made the dressing using some mayonnaise, vinegar, and a touch of sugar. It's so good. All that is then stirred together with warm macaroni and the vegetables. And then I like to put it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 4 hours, but overnight is best. Oh, by the way, do not add the cheddar cheese until the salad has cooled slightly. Otherwise, you're going to end up with melted cheddar cheese in your chilled macaroni salad, and that's just a whole nother recipe. Thanks for watching, you guys. It's time to eat. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.